Good morning, teacher and classmate. I'm Inga, and today I present my project of Basic9. There are many mysterious things or places around of the world, but today I'm talking about the Bermuda Triangle. People have been trying to solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle for years. Probably, the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most mysterious places on this planet. But I bet that some people believe that it's not a placid area. What is the Bermuda Triangle and what is it? Also known the Devil's Triangle, is a region of the North Atlantic Ocean with an area of more than 1 million square kilometers. It's located between the Bermuda Island, Puerto Rico, and Florida in Miami. Why is the mystery famous? Research tells us that a lot of strange phenomena have been reported. Also, there was the disappearance of about 50 ships and 20 planes, all of them inexplicably. This mystery began in 1945 when Flight 19 disappeared. Experts said that an estimated 1,000 deaths in the last 100 years in all areas of navigation. They still can't figure it out, but experts have different theories or explanations. Science thinks it could be climatological effects of tropical storms and hurricanes, electromagnetic giant waves of more than 30 meters methane hydrate found in the continental plates, or perhaps a jump into space. Other writers attributed this disappearance to a paranormal nature such as a black hole, or sea creatures, or UFOs. They're still trying to figure out what is going on, but sincerely, I have no idea what is going on in that place. Thanks.